Hi, this is Karpagalashmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we discuss about fundamentals of banking. Fundamentals of banking involves the concepts of history of banking, banking definition, evolution of banking in India. First we start with banking definition. According to Banking Regulation Act 1949, banking means the accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawable by check, draft, and order or otherwise. Simply, we can say banking business is done lending and borrowing of money. Next, banking terms. The Oxford Dictionary has given the definition about banking: an establishment for custody of money which it pays out on customers' order. So it means the custody, the safe is given for money of us from the institution. The bank has derived from the Italian word bench, which means it is the place for saving money. The Italian word for bench is banco, from which we derived the word bank. Next, the evolution of banking. Evolution of banking start with ancient Babylon, Egypt, and Greece. The banking business was carried on in Babylon, Egypt, and Greece. In fact, the temples usually served as the place to deposit money. In Rome in the year 210 BC, an ordinance was issued that set aside a place for money changes. In Middle Ages, the money changers of Italy did their business in the street on a bench. It was come to called as a bank. In Venice, in 1587, Banco di Rialto was set up first in the world. The Bank of Venice has come as a legally 1157 in the year. After that, Bank of Barcelona, the Bank of Geneva were come to in the year 1401 and 1407. The Banco di Rialto accepted deposits and permitted the depositors to write checks against their money. In 1619, Banco del Giro took over this bank. The Bank of Amsterdam was set up in 1609. The present day bank has three predecessors, namely Goldsmith, Merchant, and the moneylender. The Bank of England was set up in 1694, which was later on followed by other central banks of different countries. In India, first ever bank was established in 1786 called General Bank of India, which was followed by Bank of Hindustan and Bank of Bengal Bank. In 1833, joint stock commercial banking operations were followed. The history of banking in India has a huge period. First, it started with 1865, Allahabad Bank. Allahabad Bank is the first bank started in India in 1865. After that, 1894, the Punjab National Bank was started. In 1913, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Central Bank, Indian Bank, and Bank of Maharashtra were started in India. In 1935, the Reserve Bank of India Act was passed. In 1936, the Reserve Bank of India was officially started with these operations. In 1913 to 1948, many banks were failed. After that, the Banking Regulation Act was formed. In 1949, the Banking Companies Act, that means Banking Regulation Act, started. The Banking Regulation Act has given various rules and regulations for framing the company, banking company, and follow the strictly the rules and regulations to run the business of banking. The history of banking in India, page 2, involves 1969 to 1991. It was amazing development in banking sector. In 1955, the first official regularized Bank of India was Imperial Bank. In 1959, 7 banks were nationalized. The 7 banks are coming under the group under the common name State Bank of India. In 1969, 14 banks were commercialized for running the banking business efficiently in India. In 1980, 7 banks were nationalized. Totally 21 banks were nationalized in India. After 1991, the banking business were tremendous development. M. Narasimham Committee worked for liberalization of banking. Liberalization, we know, globalization of industries started with the year of 1991. After that, the various financial policies, various industrial revolution were developed. From that, the banking sector was developed in India. Till date, the cashless economy, ATM operations, digital banking are done in India successfully. Thank you. Hi, this is Karpagalashmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance of Dr. S.